Top mistakes to avoid when rolling over a 457b into a Gold IRA. Rolling over your retirement savings is a major step, and understanding the mistakes to avoid when rolling over a 457b into a Gold IRA can protect you from costly setbacks. Gold IRAs offer stability and diversification, but even small errors can lead to penalties, delays, or reduced returns. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the key pitfalls to watch for so your rollover stays smooth and compliant. 1. Using an indirect rollover instead of a direct transfer. Always choose a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. Indirect rollovers require you to deposit funds within 60 days, risk taxes, and may trigger 20% withholding. A direct transfer avoids all of this. 2. Buying gold that isn't IRS approved. Not all gold qualifies for a Gold IRA. Only metals that meet IRS purity standards, like American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs, are allowed. Buying non-approved gold can disqualify your account. 3. Picking a custodian without Gold IRA expertise. Gold IRAs require a specialized custodian. An inexperienced provider may cause delays, paperwork errors, or storage issues. Choose one with proven precious metals experience. 4. Forgetting about required minimum distributions, RMDs. Once you reach RMD age, you must take withdrawals, even from a Gold IRA. If most of your account is in physical gold, you may need to sell at an unfavorable time. 5. Storing gold at home. IRS rules prohibit storing Gold IRA metals in your house or personal safe. Assets must be kept in an approved depository to maintain tax advantages. 6. Converting all funds at once. Rolling over your entire 457b during a price spike can reduce long-term gains. Converting in stages helps manage market risk. 7. Overlooking custodian and storage fees. Gold IRAs come with fees for storage, insurance, and administration. Review all costs in advance to protect your long-term returns. 8. Failing to maintain a diversified portfolio. Gold is a hedge, not a replacement for other assets. Balance metals with stocks, bonds, and cash for a healthier retirement strategy. Understanding these common mistakes ensures a smooth and compliant 457b to Gold IRA rollover. With careful planning, the right custodian, and proper IRS-approved metals, you can strengthen your retirement portfolio with stability and long-term protection. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.